We welcome all of you to our graduation ceremony. Today is a very special and memorable day for us. Thus, this marks the end of our elementary journey and the beginning of a new chapter in our lives. Sa loob ng maraming taon, kami ay natuto ng iba't ibang aral, sumarap sa mga hamon, at nakabuo ng mga alaala na mananatili sa aming puso. Ang bawat aral na natutunan ay nagsisilbing hakbang upang kami ay maging mas mabuting mag-aaral at mamamayan. Ang tema ng ating pagtatapos, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character, ay nagpapaalala sa atin na ang tunay na edukasyon ay hindi lamang tungkol sa kaalaman, kundi pati sa paghubog ng mabuting asal, pananagutan, at malasakit sa kapwa. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers who patiently guided us and shared their knowledge with dedication and care. We also thank our parents and families for their endless love, support, and encouragement. To everyone who came here to celebrate their special occasion with us, thank you for being part of this meaningful milestone in our lives. Once again, welcome to our graduation ceremony. Thank you.